It's amazing how a few simple changes can turn a home into a haven of peace and tranquility. A home is a sanctuary for living a beautiful life, not merely just a place to store our stuff. Clutter can make all of us feel agitated, anxious, and also take away from the simple comforts of home. While visiting my daughter in Germany, she has asked me to help her declutter her home, which is ideal for me because it's one of my favorite things to do. Here are 20 household items that you can declutter to pave the way for a clutter-free and serene home. Bid farewell to the jumbled mess of lids and containers. Keep a few versatile pieces and let the rest find a new home. Spices can lose their magic over time. Check the spice rack and toss anything that has lost its flavor or is expired. These egg holders seemed like a really good idea at the time, but they've only been collecting dust in the back of the cupboard. So it's time to let them go. Keep the ones that bring you joy and say goodbye to the mismatched, chipped, or promotional ones. Old chargers, cables, and gadgets can clutter your drawers, so recycle or donate what you no longer use, or toss the things that are broken. Consolidate half-empty bottles into one bottle of the same product. Toss the cleaning supplies that you don't use or don't like. Safely dispose of any expired or unused medications and vitamins that happen to be cluttering your cabinets and bathroom space. This half-empty bottle of lotion can get tossed along with the fingernail polish that is so old I can no longer open the lid. Going through the cupboards and fridge, throwing out all food that is expired. Keep the essential and donate the duplicates. Keep the jewelry, hats, purses, and mittens that you love, and donate the rest. If you find yourself reaching for a couple of your favorite cookbooks, consider passing on those other ones to someone who might cherish them. Eliminate all broken pens, pencils, and dried out markers, only keeping the office supplies that you use on a regular basis. Where do all of the missing socks partners go? It's time to part ways with all the singles. A couple of vases in various sizes and colors are plenty. Shred outdated bills and paperwork. Scan in what you need and reclaim your drawer space. Keep the linens and towels that you need and that are still in good condition. Donate the rest because someone out there could really use those extra blankets and towels. Those unused board games that you've had for decades in the closet that are missing most of their pieces, it might be time to let them go and make space for the activities you enjoy. Keep a few candles for ambiance and let the ones that are just collecting dust on the shelf go. A closet filled with empty hangers can be frustrating when choosing an outfit. Keep the hangers you need and donate the rest. Remember, decluttering is a journey, not a race. Take it one step at a time, beginning with the items that are the easiest to let go of. Enjoy the peace and serenity of your new clutter-free home. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day, my friends.